Splish and splash, see the tub so white, ready to wash with a beautiful light. Choco is clicking the start tap tight, ready to clean the duck tonight.
Quack, quack, ducky, float on the wave. Look at the water party we have made.
Yellow and bright in the blue tub line, the magic toy bathroom is looking so fine.
The water is pumping so clear and so high, ready to splash as the ducks float by. A cheeky little monkey has stolen the part. He hid with the star key right from the start.
Quack, quack, ducky, float on the wave. BooBoo the puppy runs fast for a bound,
Jumping up high right off the ground.
Snap goes the puppy's mouth, pulling it slack.
Bringing the golden key down to the track.
The monkey falls down to the soft cushioned bed, with big fluffy pillows right under his head. The gate is all open, see the bath party run.
Splashing the water is always such fun.
Choco shares a brush for the monkey to keep. Sharing with our buddies makes us happy and deep. Now all the toy ducks are packed in the shed. Time for the buddies to go to their bed. The cozy bath cabin is quiet and deep. Good night, little swimmers, it's time for a sleep.